Baltic amber, the library of ancient life. When we talk about Baltic amber, we are not just referring to one of the world's most beautiful and pure types of amber, but also to one of the richest sources of information about ancient life ever discovered. Scientists often call it a library of ancient life. What is Baltic amber? Baltic amber formed around 40 to 50 million years ago in the Baltic region of northern Europe, especially Lithuania, Poland, and Russia's Kaliningrad area. Back then, vast pine forests covered the land, producing huge amounts of resin that, over time, fossilized into amber packed with organic inclusions from those lost worlds. What makes Baltic amber unique for science? It's prized for its clarity, high quality, and its incredible ability to preserve the tiniest details of ancient plants and animals. In even the smallest piece of Baltic amber, you might find an entire microcosm, perfectly preserved insects, colorful butterfly wings, remnants of leaves and flower, even ancient raindrops or trapped air bubbles, scientific treasures beyond price. Over more than 200 years of study, scientists have described about 400 animal species and over 100 plant species inside Baltic amber, with new discoveries still being made. Some insects preserved here are long extinct, making Baltic amber the only evidence of their existence. Why is Baltic amber crucial for understanding ancient life? Thanks to these unique samples, scientists can reconstruct incredibly detailed pictures of the forest that covered northern Europe in the Eocene epoch, the types of plants, animals, even the climate. Studying Baltic amber reveals ecological relationships between organisms, climate change patterns over time, how insects interacted with plants, the development of ancient parasites and diseases. Real discovery examples. In a recent study, a piece of Baltic amber was found containing an ant carrying a type of parasitic fungus, the oldest direct evidence of parasitism in insects ever recorded. What secret would you hope to discover in this time capsule? It gives us a real window into ages and mysteries that survive only in this golden, fossilized resin. By analyzing pollen grains preserved in amber, scientists have identified extinct plant species and reconstructed detailed maps of ancient forests. Imagine holding a transparent piece of Baltic amber up to the light and seeing a tiny insect inside as if it is still alive. Baltic amber is not just a gemstone for jewelry, it is a miniature library preserving whole chapters of ancient life.